Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Who will kill you, Richard Osadeyo? Who will kill you? Stupid, duck ass, idiotic wannabe levels boy. Levels boy. You be street boy, level boy. You be street level boy. You never reach. You never reach to be level. You never reach. You're just a street boy. You want to be among the dons, but you never reach to be the don. Not if you be among the don. You are a street level boy. Make a good kill you. May the wrath of God strike you dead. As far as I breathe, I'm going to smoke you out. I go smoke you out. Which I go smoke you out. I go smoke you out. I go smoke you out. This wait there for born idiot like you. You the craze? You the mad? You don't see war? You tell my Omofuma, you draw the battle line. You go get war. War will be with you in Germany right now. As I'm speaking from here in Italy. War. Now I declare war on your head. I declare war on your head right now. You go see war. War for war. You never chop belefu. You never get passport. You never even get document. You can't tell my Omofuma. The wrath of God strike you dead. You never even get document. You never even get a document where you say they know they renew. You can't try and Omofuma. Ha, Richard. I say the wrath of God will strike you dead. Men are hunting for you right now as they talk on the street of Italy. Men they find you. They want to pull your baby. They want pull your baby born now for grand. They go beat you. That's what I promise you. That's what you're going to get. Not look who you go talk to. You go look me as I just balance rich, I gallant rich. You can't tempt me for your stupid train. You call my name. I tell you, say, the day you call my name, that day you dead. That day you die. You die. You are dead on arrival. You're fucking dead. You're fucking dead, Richard Osadeyo. The stupid idiot who they call self Enogie. I think the British Council will call you to order. I want to give a sound notice to Frankie Rabot to call you to order. How you can be Enogie? I want to know. Which Enogie? Where you forget palace? I want to know. And idiot like you, they call yourself Enogie. Priceless. Which Enogie you be? And Omofuma want to know. An idiot. A stinking duck asshole like you. You no fear. You no fear. You no fear. I will use you to do example, eh? Now you want to do example. You're gonna be my scapegoat that I will use to be an example. I'm gonna use you to be an example. That's what I'm gonna do to you. You see me? Yeah. If I catch you, if I catch you, I go turn you upside down. I may promise you, if I catch you, there will be no hiding place for you. My people, they smoke you out now. I don't give commands. They are smoking you out. Make you, if they burn you, go anywhere. Come up from inside your cage. Make you they push out your trolley or they push with your stupid, idiotic woman when people put you to order. I will catch you. They don't give me details about you. I will smoke you out. You not rich. They not burn you. You are idiotic to come to my tent, to come call my name for that your stupid, idiotic page. You don't fear. Huh? At the bus, the street of Italy, I just thought I dodged some of my men. If I come back, call people, they call your name, they go they sing. Richard Osadeyo, here we go kill you. I will chant with reggae. I'm a good reggae musician. I'll use reggae to finish you. A worthless idiot, a worthless piece of shit, a worthless rat, a worthless, myopic, stupid, duck ass idiot. No fear. Call all your call what you feel call. People who they call, they know me. People who they call, know me. People you want call for anything it is you belong, you go tell them, say, I deal with authorities, not you, not people like you. Them know me as a force. Who you want call for what you say you belong to? What is the color this where you get say they give you cover? You are just a stinky dog ass illiterate. Which school you go? You don't graduate from any school. Man, when it comes to any level, we that went through levels, we that went through ivory towers are the men that runs the show. Not it just like you for that join anything from the streets. Not it just like you. With all due respect to those who get sense, not be just like that idiotic results are there. Don't see where the level. I don't know where you forget level. You bleach body, can't grow baby. They want to be like Osama bin Laden. You they grow baby. They promote Tonda. Ogunwoki Tonda promotion. I am here to say no to Tonda. That is what I will do. I'll make sure I boss you at Tonda. That Bini will still get power pass. Me and you will still get power pass. I'm product of Edo College. At the same time, a product of Data State University Abraka. This is the Don himself and Omofuma speaking. You come to say ruggedity, I will give her to you. You win if you want her, I will give her to you. As I wanna, I will blow your leg out of Benin. I will tell my boys to pick you. They will pick you, they will tie you for my present. They will tie you for my present. I will say yes, I ain't be this. Okay, I'm gonna not kill her. I'm gonna just tell her, say, now what I want to give her. Break your knees. The Chris. You don't see battle. What battle have you seen? Have you gone to anywhere they see? Hi, small pikin, walk out, try old papa. Yeah. I will teach you the lessons of your life. I promise you. I will give you lessons of your life. You are the best. You are the best for you. To say I see you. Me and you. It was God. I think I'll go to Jenny. I'll be in Jenny very soon. Maybe I come get you out. I'll smoke out of the city. I'll be in Jenny very soon. You'll not be a mate. Richard, me and you can never be the same category. You get category where they say, I not get basket for rotten mango. You na rotten mango. Me and you can never be in the same category. Fella say, me and you no dey for the same category. Me and you don't go ever be the same category for this life. And the life, if there's ethical reincarnation, me and you, idiotic Osade Richard. You see me at the talk of stuff tally. I cannot waste my energy. Because your matter, when I see that video, I say, this idiot not think twice before he come talk to Omofuma. He not think twice. Now me, you can't put, say you they ridicule Omofuma. That is when you met your Waterloo. Your Waterloo have come to play. Henceforth, I tell you, watch your back. For your door, they look. Because slap will go whip you for back. They will do what I say they do to you. I put up a public domain. Your baby must be pulled out. That's what Omofuma said. They must pull your baby come out. I don't need you to beg. Don't come. There's no apology. There's no forgiveness for you. For your case, no forgiveness. You and that will go. We'll go call the gawk. We'll go to meet the gawk. In as much as I'm concerned, we'll go the gawk. And they still go, they do video, they support idiots, they support Ajebo. Ajebo is a big piece of shit. It's a big piece of shit. It's a fucking dog ass. A fucking idiot. That's what it is. Ugo, make I use this medium tell you. The day you choose to support evil, that day I disown you. Because you support evil now. I say you support evil. I have disowned you. I've disowned you based on that evil you support. The day we go there with that stupid Richard Sade, I don't disown you. Me and you not ready for any business anymore. We'll not get in common. I'm using this to tell you. That idiot you did with the tax together, so no one fight Frank Vito. Me, I tell you, say Frank Vito not do anything wrong. Frank Vito stand for truth. I stand for truth. So they not born you, they not born that stupid Richard to tell me where I know if he start put. Go the key Richard. You see, go like that for chair, go. The way I take you, you go like that for chair, they do video. They Ajebo. Which level Ajebo get? Ajebo is a fraudster. Ajebo is a fraudster. Ajepako is a fraudster. There's no two ways about it. It's a fraudster. It's a fucking big fraudster. Worse than anything that has happened in this cyberspace. It's a big fraudster. So not just... Don't even just think what you they do. I just look you. I'll go see. I'll see you. I just jump a pass. I say, no, make a jump because I know if you come say yes, I want to deal with you. You get respect for me. But that your stupid, idiotic Richard, where saying na me if he call, I will use him as a scapegoat. That's what I'm going to do to him. I'm going to use him as a scapegoat. I'll not be mate. I'm a big fish. I'm a very big fish. He saying a big fish. He never be. He not forgot type for big fish. He never be big like me. We say he be big fish. What he get? He get comprehension. He get knowledge. He get education. Reach me. What they call himself say he be big fish. Big fish for where? Big fish where they swindle women, small girls money. Big fish. Idiot. You don't hear small people. You know people with my money don't change their life. You know people with my money don't change their life. Wait for this Italy. You know people I don't help. Okay, now they display for social media. That's rats. That's hungry, idiotic looking wannabe. Blish, piqué. Want to talk where and Omofuma they talk. An idiot. A nincompoop. Richard Osadeye. I want to use this medium, Frank Irabo. How that boy take the call himself Enogie for Italy? I think his mother needs to be smoked out to know how to be Enogie. We got to ask this time around how to be Enogie. For me a day, that idiot they call himself Enogie. I don't want title. It's an idiot. A nincompoop. I run things. Everywhere I go, I run things. Things don't run me. Everywhere I go, I run things. Things don't run me. That rich, stupid Richard. Ha! The day you enter Omofuma, you enter Omofuma, dead. You are dead on a rubber. Fucking dead on a rubber. Happen. You're fucking dead, Richard. Fucking dead. Not be your mate. I can never be your mate in the next 20,000 years. I can never be your mate. I can never be your mate. But the wrath of God strike you dead. The day you disrespected Omofuma, you die that day. And that day you take die. Saga continue between me and you. The day I go finish your saga with you, I will just pick you up. I will beat you for Germany. I will come personally. I will pick you up. I can never be your mate. Never. You tell yourself your papa they buy cigarette credit. Me, as a big rich, as a gallant rich. You know they lie too much. Eh? If you want to fight me with truth. If you fight me with truth, I'll say yes, you've done well. You fight me with truth, but with lies, you can never beat me. Fight me with truth and beat me with truth. But with lies, when you lie, say, hey, hold me as a gallant rich. They do live video, they walk out for street, they shout. Police not tell me say stop. I enter bar, I take beer, I dey flex. Nobody tell me say stop. You will not say I gallant, I too tight. I tight, over tight. They worry me past you. My tightness, you know if you get her. In the next 50 years, you cannot get it. You cannot get it. Jokes. My wife, they cook better food for me. Right now. Too much money. My wife, they work. I they work. Too much money. You know they say category with you will not get document. One of they wait for benefit. They wait for benefit. Make you to be lazy ass in Germany. There, we work. We pay our dues. We are working. We get money, too much money. We they work, now our sweat. We they enjoy our sweat. Now go Germany, go become lazy dog ass. We work here. Italy creates strong men. Italy is a land of men who are strong to work. I mean, people are lazy. People are lazy. We are working. We they work here. That's a country where you need people to work. Not to give the benefit to children. Then it's women who can't say they don't agree. They want to take benefit on the rule. They are here that they work. You work. If you get work, work. Hold your work. At the end of the day, you become very rich. Work. Work. Now, what did God say make we come do for this world? Make we work. Work. Not because they receive benefits. Those fake benefits at the end of the day. Or they will go push you and deport you. Now, you will be the next person to be deported. Richard, I give you that. This is a promise. You are the next to be deported back to Nigeria. A car will get you very soon. If you're not strong, you not fit talk the way they talk for public like this. Like me, as they talk for public. If you're not strong, you not get level. You cannot do it. People go tell you, say, what are you saying? They will want to intimidate you, but me, I they do and I they run. And Omofuma they do. You don't get power, you don't get liver, you don't get anything. The thing you want to enter one color, say you Ogu punish you. You are just you there for Ologo, for for where Oselu. Those are ratio for Oselu. Now you still be for any level you did. You are still a boy in any level. You be boy, you be picking. When me at the talk, you be picking, you be baby. I deal with the big meats, not you. I deal with authorities, the heads. Now they talk to one-on-one. Speed call with the lies together, not you, idiotic, stupid Richard Sade. You don't crazy, you don't mad. May the wrath of God, first kill you first before my people will get you. Then once they get you, you come back. Once you beg for forgiveness, no forgiveness for you. No forgiveness for you. I promise you that no forgiveness for you. As I tell you, no forgiveness for you, no forgiveness for you. 12 now, put together, no forgiveness for 12 now. I'm going to do you as if there's no tomorrow. No forgiveness for you. For anything, wait for blood, wait for that your small sakbomba, upper sakbomba, whatever, anywhere in Germany for do what you say you don't arrive. I tell you, say no forgiveness for you. You are colored bad. So shall you be all this of your life. Colored bad. I color you bad. You be bad. You be bad news. You be bad mistake. You be bad everything about you. Everything about you is bad. And so I tell you today. No fear. You no fear. You no fear. You come to my territory, to the Odunga. He won himself. You see your papa they laugh in the verse, so you don't know why they laugh. Be like how they verse. There are people like you, make me they laugh the verse. I want to show you why they laugh. Be like how they verse. And that laugh way, be like how they verse. You're gonna get the bruises and the injury from it. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Idiotic Richard Osade, you're gonna get the bruises and the injury. I want to tell you, you're a boy. How do you life? You remain a boy. You're gonna be higher. To say I just see you now, I just see you from where men gather. I'll tell you, bring that idiot come here. I'll just give a command, bring that idiot, Richard, bring him out from that crowd. Let him lick my boots, lick my leg. You go lick this leg. I promise you go lick this leg. You go lick this leg. You go lick this leg. And there will be no forgiveness for you. I'm going to humiliate you all the days of your life. That's what I promise you. I'm going to humiliate you all the days of your life.